Welcome to my channel Styling Threads. Today I am making a very beautiful neckline design. For this I have cut my kameez already according to the basic cutting pattern, and I have taken the length and width 3 inches. 3 inches width I have taken and 3 inches length, means total 6 inches I have taken, because I have to attach round collar over here, and here I would make a neckline. For this I have taken this long rectangular piece. I have to make a V shape over here, 3.5 inches V shape I would make over here. Then there would be straight cut, and I would attach piping in it, and I would attach some beads in it, or you can attach buttons, and after that I would attach my round collar over here. So first I would prepare my neckline with the help of this pasting sheet, and then I would attach my back side with the front side, and after that I would attach my round collar. Okay. First I have to take the width for my neckline. I have to give a V shape over here, and then I would take a straight cut. So for taking V shape I would take 0.75 in this way. Total width I have to take 1.5. Here I would take 0.75. Okay. And the length, which I would take 3.5 over here. And from here I would take a straight cut, and its length would be almost 9 to 10 inches. Here I have to attach piping, so width I wouldn't take so much, only small width I would take over here. Okay. And now I would draw outer line for cutting. After pasting by this sheet on a piece of fabric with the help of iron, I also have taken a rough stitch. Okay, and now I have put this on the right side of the front side, and this is the center point. Okay, I have put in this way, and now I have to take a stitch very close to this pasting sheet. I would start from here and I would end it over here. Okay, very close to this pasting sheet I would complete this stitch, and then I would cut the extra fabric. I would take a straight cut over here. Okay, and then I would turn this to the wrong side, and I would take a top stitch. Now after attaching piping, I have to attach the strip behind it. Okay, from here till this point I would attach this strip, and then I would attach some beads over here, and I also have to stitch front side with the back side before attaching my round collar. Okay, so first I will attach the strip behind it, and then I would stitch front side with the back side. Okay. After attaching strip behind it, I have attached these multicolored beads over here, and now I have to attach my round band. And for this I have measured this round part of my neckline. It is almost 16.5 inches. Whenever we have to cut round band, we always decrease 0.5 inch. It is almost 16.5, so I would cut my band 16 inches long. Okay, and for this I would take pasting sheet, and I would cut my band on pasting sheet, and then I will paste in double layer of fabric. So for cutting 16 inches band, as I already have mentioned that here the total length was 16.5, I have deducted 0.5 inch because in this way my band would set properly over here. Okay, so I have deducted 0.5 inch. Now it is 16 inches, and for cutting 16 inch I have taken this rectangular shape, and first I have to take the total width of my neckline. Okay, and the total width of my neckline, which I have taken 3 plus 3, 6 inches. So according to the width of this neckline, first I would draw a straight line over here of 6 inches long. Okay, and now according to the length of my neckline, 3 inches, I would draw a straight line over here. First I would mark at the distance of 3 inches. Okay, another mark I will take at the distance of 1.25 inches in this way. Okay, as I have given a little curve shape from the back side, it's very small curve shape, so here I would give a little curve shape. Now here I would give a round shape, a curve shape according to the curve of this neckline. Okay, now I have to take the width of my band, and I am taking 0.75, and after that I would measure it again. I have to take 16 inches, so it should be 8 inches long. Okay, but first I have to give the width of my this band, and I would give 0.75. Now this down part I have to attach with my shirt, so it should be 8 inches. I would measure it again. Now I have to paste this on double layer of fabric before attaching on my shirt. So I have set my this band on double layer of fabric. Okay, in this way, and this part I have turned to this side. I have pressed it. Now first I would take a loose stitch, and then I would join these two layers of fabric. I would start my stitch from here. Okay, very close to this pasting sheet, I would continue my stitching till this point. Okay, and then I would cut this extra fabric and I would take some cuts and notches and I would turn this to the right side. Okay, and I would start attaching with my shirt. After turning the right side out, now I would start attaching my band from this wrong side. Okay, and then I would turn this to right side and I would take a top stitch.